Our experience in Industry 4.0 is right at the beginning of this journey. The week has offered a range of diverse sort of options for us to look at. Some of the highlights for us have been actually just connecting with the delegates who are actually on the tour. There's some great technical knowledge in our own country that sometimes you're not even aware exists, so that's been a real highlight.
The other thing too was actually the factory tours that we've had today. We've gone to Omron and Universal Robots and actually seen some kind of live demonstrations of how to utilise robotics and automation. And then the expo itself has been pretty enlightening, just seeing what's happening in the world at the moment and products on the line.
Our company, we've made some calls. We're focused on digitisation, and we've began some robotic automation. So I wanted to validate some of the decisions we've made and see that the services provided in New Zealand were comparable with what's offshore, and I was pretty happy that they are.
The best benefit I've seen was in interacting with the other businesses. I've come away extremely energised by the technology and the capability and the breadth of activity that is happening in New Zealand, and it's really encouraging.
And we're not behind the rest of the world. We're very innovative, but we're just doing things differently with less resources and less money, so we need to be inventive.
I would definitely recommend coming along on a trek or a delegation like this. You meet a lot of wonderful people who have got some really good skills that are probably just in your neighbourhood, and so it's great to be able to actually see what's happening on a global stage.